Hello, this is Alexander Prill from Lang, German booth and distributor for professional video equipment. I want to show you here the transparent OLED, GhosT-OLED, made by Exact Solutions. And we believe that one of the trends we have in the future will be transparency. OLED is the means which will do this job the best. We have here interactivity, which is another feature of this OLED wall. It's a 2x2 55-inch GhosT-OLED with a custom-made touch frame. So it will feature not also many possibilities concerning retail and workspace, but will allow a lot of marketing applications. It has been one of the most popular products in the past in our exhibition rentals. And now that we have with LG a new supplier of a panel, we see a very bright future. So if you're interested, please go to www.lang-ag.com and